How to log in into your Paycom employee account. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can log in into your Paycom employee account. So without any further ado, let's jump right into it. First step is simply search for Paycom employee login. After you search that, you'll find the website for Paycom employee. Open that up, this one right here, and it should take you to the website. So from here, select who you are, in this case, an employee. After you select that, it will take you to another page where you can simply type in your username, your password, whatever password you've created when you created the account, then last four digits of your SSN or PIN. After you do that, tap on login and you'll get logged in into your account. And it's that simple, guys, and that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos, and bye-bye. Take